A rich, decadent, dry khichuri or pilaf, fragrant with the aroma of saffron, whole spices and dry fruits. This is a treat for the taste buds. On the auspicious occasion of Pochishe Boishak or Rabindranath Thakur's birthday, we bring to you Jafrani Bhuna Khichuri, a dish from the kitchens of none other than the illustrious Jorashakor Thakurbarir. Let's get gobbledygooking. I have here some beautiful Kalojeera rice. This dish is best made with Gobindobhog rice, but if you don't have it, you can use a short-grained rice like Kalojeera. We do not recommend using a long-grained rice such as Basmati for this recipe. I also have here some Moong Dal or Shona Moong Dal as it's called in Bangla. The classic ratio of rice to dal for this recipe is 2:1. Ginger is a key flavoring ingredient of the khichuri. Slice a 10-gram piece of ginger into round slices. Take another 35 grams of ginger and pound it into a fine paste with 1 green chili and a little bit of salt. Take a few strands of good quality saffron and soak in 2 tablespoons of warm water. Wash the rice thoroughly under running water. Drain the water and spread out the rice in a colander to let it air dry. The golden Shona Moong Dal needs to be dry roasted on a medium-low flame until the dal turns pinkish brown in color. Stir constantly and be careful to not over-roast the dal, otherwise it will burn and turn dark brown. Once the dal is roasted, take off the flame and immediately drain under cooled running water to stop further cooking. Spread out on a cloth to air dry. Following Pragya Devi's recipe, we will make some Akhni'r jal or water made fragrant with spices. Take 8 cups of water in a pot and flavor it with cinnamon, bay leaves torn in half, green cardamoms, cloves, and the sliced ginger. Once the water starts boiling, turn off the flame. Let the water steep in the spices for 10 minutes. Strain out the spices and reserve this Akhni'r jal for later use. Heat a 1/4 cup of ghee in a pan. Once hot, stir fry cashews till golden brown. Strain and set aside. Stir fry the raisins until plump. Strain this as well. Add another 3/4 cup of ghee. We'll make some beresta or fried onions by frying sliced onions in the ghee. Do add some salt to help caramelize the onions. This dish is for rare occasions and uses a generous amount of ghee. For a healthier version, you can use a mix of oil and ghee in equal proportions. In the same ghee, add the soaked saffron along with the water. Follow with more whole spices, bay leaves, green cardamoms, cinnamon, cloves, dried red chilies, and the ginger paste. Add the rice and gently mix with the spices. Fry on medium heat until the rice turns translucent and you hear a spluttering sound. Do not brown the rice. Add in the dal as well and gently stir. Add some turmeric powder and fry on medium heat for 5 minutes. Add the salt, reserving a little bit for adjusting later if needed. Pour in the reserved Akhni'r jal. We needed 7 cups of the Akhni water, but this could vary slightly depending on the rice used and the heat. Cover with a lid and steam on medium-low heat for 10 minutes. Time for a small story. We have adapted today's dish from a recipe published by Prokashundari Devi in her book Amish o Niramish Ahar. She was the niece of the renowned poet Rabindranath Tagore and was known for her culinary creativity. It is said that on the occasion of Thakur's 50th birthday, she prepared a special sweet dish which she called Kobi Songvardhana Borfi. Guests marveled at the taste of this sweet that was laden with dry fruits and covered with gold and silver flakes. She later revealed that she had made this sweet from cauliflowers. Such was the power of her innovation. Getting back. Add the fried cashews, raisins, and a couple of slit green chilies. Add 3 tablespoons of sugar. Cover and steam again on low heat for another 8 to 10 minutes. Adjust salt and sugar if needed at this stage. Cover and let rest for 1 to 2 hours. Serve hot with your favorite vegetables and fries.